Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I am really excited to bring you these fantastic, beautiful ornament cutting dies. They are from our friends at Crafter's Companion. The Gemini dies are always so beautiful and so intricate. We've got the Elegant Star, the Grande Bauble, and of course the Winter Opulence. I can't wait to show you what my friend Debbie and I did with these. So come back and play with us. So let me quickly explain the difference between these sets. These two, the yellow tabs, these are called dimensionals. And with these, the dies, here's the star one. This die makes the star. You don't need anything else. For this one, the Grande Bauble, this collection makes full ornaments. You don't need anything else. And this one is actually an accessory, the Elements. These provide different decorative spaces for the ornament, so you need to use these two together, okay, if you want to make additional ornaments. So I'm going to show you why that is and how that works. Just wanted to kind of explain that. So let's start with the star, okay? Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. My friend Debbie made this. It is beautiful. I'm going to show you how to make it. She actually die cut this from silver glitter cardstock, which is fantastic. She then lined the inside of it with, here's my little scrap piece here, of actually just the solid vellum. Both of these things you can get at Paper Wishes. So we've got our die set here. It's in two pieces. Okay, here's the inner star that gives you all these fantastic little cutaways, and then this is the outer piece. If you just wanted to make a solid star without all the little patterns, you would just cut two of these, okay? And if you want to have these fantastic patterns, you nest them and cut them like that. I did want to show you this fantastic thing that Debbie thought of. She took a little Christmas light pack here. So say you've got this Christmas tree, it's got lights all over it. Take one of your stars and just slide one of the little lights in here. So for this, you would not want to glue this top closed. Come on, Lene, get it in there. All right. So you would just slide that in there. And then, let's see if we can see this with all our lights on. Look at that. It lights up the star. Isn't that cool? I thought that was so clever. This was just a little bonus idea for you. All right, so back to the making of the star. All right, so here we go. So we've die cut some pieces here ahead of time from white. And Debbie mentioned what you want to do is they already have score lines on them here, okay? So it is nice though to go ahead and take your bone folder and then you're just folding the pieces along the score line, and then you're just taking your bone folder and you're just getting an extra good crease. That's going to give you that little dimension, that little puff, how it sticks up like that, okay? The other thing you're going to want to need is extra sticky tape, okay? I tried gluing these with our Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue, and it does work great if you're using cardstock that has got a papery finish, but if you want to use like the glitter, it's really tricky to get that glue to hold. You have to go around and hold it or clamp everything down. So extra sticky tape is the way to go. So all of these, the star has little tabs all the way around, and Debbie was a good friend and went ahead and put all the little extra sticky tape pieces on there for me, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your star pieces and you're going to align the little loops at the top, all right? And then you're just going to start by aligning each. Maybe we can zoom in on this, Steve. I'll wait till we get zoomed in. You're going to take your little flaps and you're going to tuck those in, and you're just pinching those right there and aligning those. There we go. And then you're going to the other side. Oops. And, oh, this side doesn't have tape on it. Okay, I'm going to do the taped sides first. And you're just aligning those and then just tucking those flaps in on the inside. I'm not sure what sides have tape on them until I actually touched them. There we go. All right, I think Debbie put tape on every other point for me. She probably thought, oh, Lene will get the idea and she'll put tape on the rest of them. All right. There we go. So as you can see, you're just going around your tape. Oh, get back into frame here. Going around and you're taping, and then it's just puffing up as you tape them. It is fantastic. I love this star. I'm gonna buy this one and make these. How cute to make them from glitter cardstock and then just hang them from all those gift bags that we all use at Christmas. So cute. Everybody can go home with a little ornament. I love that. So that's your ornament number one. All right, so that's the star. Now we're gonna go to the bauble. Oh, I should also mention, you guys, inside of all the die sets are full color step-by-step instructions on how to work this thing. So don't fear. Same color, and you've got this instructions for the bauble as well. So let's start with this bauble set. All right, so this is what I started with when I just used this piece right here to make the full bauble piece. Okay, and then to make the little bow, how cute is that? You just die cut a piece like this, and then you use these little guys right there, and you run those through your machine, and you get these great little sort of like polka dotty bows. Okay, and then you've got this piece right here, which are the little bow tails. For that, you would just start with just the bow piece, and you do not cut anything into that, and then you just take your little scissors and snip, snip, and make your tails. So I'm going to show you how to go through all of this, but I wanted to show you this one first. This one, the papers that I used are Poinsettia Passion printed cardstock. I did one set from this ivory kind of patterned, and then another set, another die cut piece with the poinsettia part. Okay, and then I also used, I don't know if you can see here, it's got these wonderful little thin line dazzle stickers on here. There we go, if you can see it right there. And I just used these right here, these little gold ones right here. So easy. I found it actually easy to just peel them off and put them on while it was formed like this, okay? Instead of when they were flat. I don't know, that was just me. And then I'm also using just fishing line because I thought it was just a little more lightweight than using ribbon. And I wrote it down, so I used my hubby's fishing line, and I used monofilament 4-pound nylon line, okay? That's what he had in his box, so that's what I used. Let's see. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's take a look at adding in this set. Okay, this is the Elements set. You would still need this mechanism, okay, this die from this set. And then you could just take these two, put them right in here, okay, and you would get this beautiful ornament. For this one, I used red glitter cardstock for the base of the ornament, and for the bow, I used white. Okay, and same with the fishing line. You know where I'm going to show you how to put these together. And then for this one right here, this one, I used the original set, this one right here, and I die cut the silver using silver linen paper, excuse me, silver linen cardstock right here. Die cut those first using these inner pieces right here. And then I die cut some from just purple cardstock and then glued the silver linen pieces over the purple cardstock, and then just formed my little bauble in the same way, purple bow. All right, so let's show you how to make these. It's all gonna make sense. So I'm gonna start off with, first of all, I need my dimensional bauble tool here. And then I'm using the element set. I'm going to use these two pieces right here. Okay, and you're going to need to cut 2 of these from white cardstock. So this is what I'm going to do. And put it on some white cardstock like this. Here we go. I like to use Hunky Dory low tack tape to secure these. And you just want to make sure that those little pattern pieces on the inside are sort of aligned. I'm going to strap those down. Same, we have to do the middle part. Right there. And then the opposite end right there. Okay, going to run that through your die cutting machine and you're going to get a piece that looks like this. You're actually going to need 2 of those pieces. Oops. All right, and then I've got my little extra sticky tape, and I've already put some on here and taken away the little backing, orange backings. So you're gonna, this is a little pokey tool I find when I'm using extra sticky tape is really valuable. So I'm just gonna take the little backing. All right, there's that one. There's that one. And that one. Oops. All right, then you're gonna take this piece, and I've got my adhesive right here. I've got my little orange backing stuck to me. And we're just gonna lay the one, there we go. Just gonna place them one on top of the other. Here we go. All right, and then you've got your adhesive. And then I just sort of take my fingers and sort of do this little curve. You can also take your little bone folder. You just want to curve them a little bit. Just like that. All right. It's also important to kind of like pre-fold these little tabs. And then what you're doing is you've got tape on the outside, and then you're just going to take these little tabs and you're going, let's zoom in on this part, Steve. You're going to take these little tabs and you're just sticking them together. All right. And then a little pinch is helpful. All right. We're going to do the same here. And then we're just going to go all the way around like this, okay? And you're still just going all the way around, pinching, and then you're going to come up with, looks like a little basket when you're done, okay? And then you just want to put on the top of your tab a little sticky right there. Before you get them all put together, I like to take my little fishing line or whatever it is you're going to hang your ornament from, and put it through, whoops, 2 of your loops like this. And then you're going to take your pieces and you're going to glue them together like this and like this, overlapping those circles. And that's if you're not going to put a bow on it. That's how you hang it, just like this. All right? If you're going to put a bow on it, remove that, and what we're going to do is go ahead and just take off our little tape, and hopefully it's going to cooperate while we're filming here. All right, so we're going to tape this piece right here, those 2 together. I need another little piece. Okay, so then you're going to just take this piece and tape it. Whoops, get in the focus here, Lene. This piece, and then this piece you're going to tape right here. So you've got, it's all closed like that, right? And then we're going to move over here and we're going to focus on our bow now. There we go. So what I like to do on the bow is go ahead and thread the center with your ribbon or your fishing line or whatever you're going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and tie these. So that's not such of a problem. All right, and once again, we're going to take our little tapies off. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you've got your line or your fishing line, and you're going to go like this, tape that to the center, and you're going to go like that and tape that to the center. And then you've already got your line or your ribbon attached right here, okay? And then I need another little piece of tape. Come on, come on, come on, come on, find the end of your tape. Okay. All right, now we're going to tape that. Okay, and now we're going to do, remember this piece right here? I'm going to curve them a little bit. Okay, and we're going to take our scissors and we're going to hold, actually I should have done this before I curved them. I'm going to hold those together and we're just going to cut like a V. Okay, and now we can curve that a little bit. All right, and then this is going to go, we're going to glue that right there. And then we're going to take our bow and we're going to glue that right there, kind of going in the opposite direction, okay? Or you can have it going in the same direction, whichever you like. And there we have our little white bauble ornament with the green bow. So you guys, we've got a wonderful collection, a money saver collection bundle on all of these cutting dies. So I really encourage you to take advantage of this. These are so fun for Christmas. And I think these things are just going to fly out of here, okay? So if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page, take a look over there to the right, okay? Steve's getting a little crazy with the Zoom. Take a look over there to the right and you'll see our money saving bundle. And down below, you'll see the products used where you can shop each and every item individually if you just want the extra sticky tape or you just want to find out where I got that little pokey tool. Everything is listed there, okay? We also have a photo gallery below the video where you can see all the supplies and everything, full color photos of each ornament. And if you're watching us on YouTube, we haven't forgotten about you. Look in the description box below the video and you will see a link to paperwishes.com, our webisode page. It'll take you directly to this webisode page and it'll show you everything I just mentioned. And if you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up. It really helps people find our channel. Subscribe. We do 3 to 5 of these videos a week and I wouldn't want you to miss a thing. So thanks for joining me today and I'll see you next time.